So guys, I hereby welcome you all to this amazing channel. Basically, I haven't posted a video since long. So basically, I am posting this video because everyone is right now confused about what to take in between Spectra, Crossbeat Spectra, Firebolt Visionary, and as well as Crossbeat Ignite S4 Max, right? So we will be doing deep down comparison between all these watches, and basically I will be sharing you all the aspects, all the features, all the specs of all the watches, so that you can rightly choose the best smartwatch for your loved ones, or if you want to buy it for yourself, you can do it as well. So all the watches are basically calling watches. If we talk about Crossbeat Spectra, if we talk about Firebolt Visionary, or if we talk about Crossbeat Ignite S4 Max, right? So one more thing I want to tell you: if you want to earn, if you want to make money, you can go to the description page, and you will find few money earning tricks, as well as an application. If you haven't installed that application, that is Shopsy, and you can earn from your purchase as well. Yes, you can earn from your purchase, and you can share that application, and you will get 150 or 200 rupees per referral. So that is amazing application. You can install that application, and also you can earn from that application. I've already made 30 plus thousand rupees from that application. You can see the proof. Now let's start this comparison. Let's talk about the display. If we talk about the display department, the S4 Max, the Crossbeat Ignite S4 Max has the largest display in between these three watches. Basically, it's 1.91 UHD Ultra HD display. That is not AMOLED display. I will confirm you, because many subscribers are maybe confused regarding this display quality or display main display department. So this is simply a LCD IPS panel, and that is great, amazing colors, and color accuracy is too great. And the second thing, Spectra and Visionary has same displays on both the watches, and we are getting AMOLED displays in Spectra as well as Visionary. So in Spectra and Visionary, the display department is much better as compared to S4 Max. And if we talk about always on display, yes, you are getting always on in all the three watches, yes, but there is slightly dim always on display in Visionary as compared to Spectra and S4 Max. And if we talk about the protection, Spectra or Spectra Plus has great and amazing off-screen protection as compared to as compared to all the three watches. That is, we are getting 3D sapphire glass, that is scratch resistant also, as compared to Visionary as well as S4 Max. And right now, if we talk about the pixel per inch, that is sharpness. In all the watches, the sharpness is amazing. That is around 300 pixel plus sharpness in all the three watches. And if we go further regarding the display visibility in sunlight, the sunlight visibility of all the watches is amazing and great. And right now, the maximum brightness of Spectra is 650 nits. So that is again a winner in this segment. If we talk about display department, the winner is straight Spectra. So Spectra or Spectra Plus, you can say. And if we talk about the watch faces are present in all the watches, and even you can put your pick as a watch face in all the three watches. So that is amazing, as well as you are getting always on display too. So right now, if we talk about the fitness modes, the fitness modes in Visionary as well as S4 Max is good, but in Spectra you're getting low sports mode, that is 28 only. And if we consider about the Visionary, you are getting 100 plus sports mode, so that is amazing. And if we talk about the IP rating, the IP rating of all the watches is good, but you are getting IP67, IP68 basically in all the watches, but I don't recommend you to put your watch in harsh water or pressurized water. So maybe your watch will get defected. So simply you can use your watch in mainly rainy season or normal splashes sweat. So it will be good for you. And again, if you talk about the accuracy of Spectra or Spectra Plus is amazing. Company had claimed already the accuracy is 97%. If we talk about 97%, then that is amazing. If we are getting 90% only, then it will be also fine, right? In Visionary, we are getting good accuracy. I have already unboxed that watch. If you want to see, you can go to the description page, and you can find that channel, that Hindi channel. I have already unboxed Visionary as well as done comparison with few watches. And if you talk about the S4 Max, the accuracy is 85%. And there is a sensor present in all the watches, that is SpO2 and HR sensor, and these sensors work flawlessly in all the watches. And if we talk about exact accuracy in all the three watches, the accuracy of Spectra is uh, number one, and second one is S4 Max, and the last one is Visionary. The accuracy of Visionary is also good, but if we talk about the fitness features like running, walking, cycling, skipping, those features are not accurate in all the three watches, cause I have already told you that calling watches doesn't have good accuracy in terms of uh, sports mode as well as running, walking, cycling, skipping, these sports mode like activities, right? So if you talk about the exact sensors, the exact sensors are present in all the three watches, that is accelerometer, optical heart rate sensor, gas flow sensor. These are the all sensors which are present in all the watches. Now let's talk about the extra features. We are getting tons of features in all the three watches, that is we are getting call, dialing, as well as sync contacts, as well as you can save your contact details on your watch itself. But there is a limitation in your watch, that is you can save only 10 plus contacts in particular watch. You can't save hundreds of contacts or unlimited contacts just like Invincible. So this is the limitation in all the three watches. But there is a good news for you all. There is a full touch display present in all the watches, so that is great. And also we are getting alarm clock, stopwatch, chrono timer, weather notification, torch light. These are the features present in all the watches. So that is the normal features which are present in all the watches. And if we talk about extra features, here Spectra Plus and Visionary wins the game, cause they both are having internal memory as well as TWC pairing option. But S4 Max doesn't have it, and Spectra also doesn't have it. But if you go for Spectra Plus, you are getting internal 512 MB of internal storage. That is, you can save up to 80 songs in your watch itself. But in Visionary, you are getting only 120 MB of internal storage, so you can only store 18 or 19 songs in the watch itself. So that is the difference between all the three watches. But S4 Max doesn't have internal memory as well as TWS pairing option. But S4 Max has its own unique features. Just I will tell you. So the main features of S4 Max is Find My Phone, camera shutter, music control, voice assistant, as well as password lock feature that is not present in Spectra or Spectra Plus or even in Visionary. And there is a crown working in S4 Max, but Visionary also has a crown, but Spectra or Spectra Plus doesn't have any crown working feature. S4 Max has also wireless charging and calculator option. Yeah, but Visionary as well as Spectra also is having calculator option, but again you are not getting pin lock system as well as wireless charging option in both the watches, Spectra and Visionary. Now let's talk about the Bluetooth version. There is a latest Bluetooth version in the S4 Max as compared to Visionary and Spectra, and you can pair all the watches through Android and iOS. So you have to pair with CB Explore application in S4 as well as Spectra, but for Visionary you have to go for the DAFET application. So that will be your choice if you want to install DAFET application or CB Explore application. I think Visionary will also pair with the CB Explore application. You can check it, or I will check it and definitely let you know. हेलो, ठीक है ठीक है। सो रही हैं, चलो ठीक है, आज पिकअप है ना, मैं एक वीडियो बना देता हूँ, ठीक है, एक वीडियो रह रही थी। If you talk about the software and hardware department, there is a good soft hardware present in Spectra Plus, but Spectra, Visionary as well as S4 Max, there is only 128 MB of internal storage, but we are not getting TWS pairing option as well as song storage option in S4 Max as well as Spectra. There is a dual button present in Visionary as well as S4 Max, but we are not getting any extra button in Spectra. Again, we are getting crown working in Visionary as well as S4 Max, but we are not getting in Spectra. So that is the difference between all the three watches. But the UI is smooth in all the watches, but there is a extra smoothness in S4 Max as well as Spectra Plus variant or Spectra variant, cause of the fluidity of display smoothness as well as the AMOLED display placement, I think. And again, battery backup and charging time. If we talk about the battery capacity, Spectra is having the largest capacity them all, cause it's having 300 mAh of battery capacity, and in Visionary you are getting 240 mAh of capacity. In S4 Max there is only 280 mAh capacity, and we are getting 10 days of battery life as the company claimed in all the three watches. But in S4 Max we are getting 15 days of runtime claimed by the company. So magnetic charging is present in all the watches. As again, if I talk about the exact runtime of all the watches, the runtime of all the watches is different. If we use it as a fitness watch only, then we are getting only 6 to 5 days on all the watches. But if we talk about the calling quality and calling features, then we are getting only 1 to 2 days of exact runtime in all the three watches. So now let's talk about the main features. There is a heart rate monitor present in all the three watches, as well as the core features are SpO2 level monitor and BP monitor is present in all the three watches. So that is great, and sleep tracking is done accurately in all the three watches. But if we talk about the accuracy will be around 80 to 85%. That is good. But if you want more accuracy, then you have to go for Amazfit watches, because Amazfit is having 95 plus percent 95 plus percent of accuracy in the sleep pattern of if you want to calculate your sleep pattern, right? And again, there is a calorie and steps counting present in all the three watches. Sedentary reminder is also present, as well as breathe relax mode is present in all the three watches. If you want basic features, the basic features are present in all the three watches. You don't have to worry about it. So now let's move further. If we talk about the build quality of all the three watches is amazing, as claimed by the company, as well as I have already unboxed Visionary, and soon I will be unboxing S4 Max for you, and you can see the deep down in-depth review of S4 Max. The weight of all the three watches is almost similar, but S4 Max as well as Visionary is having weight to it as compared to Spectra. Spectra is bit you can say less heavy as compared to Visionary and S4 Max. There is a TPU strap quality in all the three watches. I think Visionary is having silicon strap as I'm using it, and the build quality of all the three watches are top notch. The company has used that aluminum casing as base, is made of glass-stick or polycarbonate, right? So now let's talk about the conclusion as well as the pricing. The base variant is having only 5,000 rupees of price bracket. If you want to buy it for lower price, you can grab it from the description page. You can go to the description page and you can opt for the official website and use TechPoke as a coupon code. So you will be getting around 5 to 7% of straight flat discount in any of the product if you want to buy from Crossbeat website. The second thing is Visionary. Visionary is having a price tag of 4,000 rupees on sale only. Right now the price has been already increased. If you want to buy it on sale, you have to wait for the next sale. As let's talk about the last watch, that is S4 Max. If you want to buy S4 Max, you can go to official website. There is S4 Max available for you in around 4,999 rupees. If you want to buy it on lower price, then you have to use TechPoke as a coupon code. You will be getting around 5 to 10% flat discount. So that is great, that is amazing, right? So straight away you can go to the description page and buy that watch by using TechPoke as a coupon code. Now let's talk about the conclusion. Which watch is better for you basically? All the three watches are amazing. Build quality as well as calling feature is good, but Crossbeat Spectra Plus variant, that is for around 6,000 rupees. If you want to buy in low price, use TechPoke as a coupon code, then you can buy it for 550 only, I think. So Spectra Plus is having exact good features as compared to both the Visionary as well as S4 Max. But if we talk about low price bracket, then Visionary is a winner. But if you want higher memory, higher internal storage, then you have to go for Spectra Plus only, because this Spectra variant is not having internal storage as well as TWS pairing option. But Spectra Plus variant is having internal storage as well as TWS pairing option. But S4 Max is a different kind of category in all the three watches, because S4 Max is just like a Apple Watch Series 7 with edge to edge display and good color accuracy and overall new features company has already introduced to you. That is wireless charging as well as that calculator option, that I think games option as well. So the crown is also working in S4 Max, as if we compare it with the Visionary. So the winner is finally Spectra, and the second winner is, I think, S4 Max, and the third winner is Visionary. But if we talk about the display department, then the winner will be Spectra Plus, then second one is Visionary, and the last one is S4 Max. So I think your queries has been resolved in this video. If you want to ask any questions, any queries of yours, then you can comment on the comment box. I will definitely answer your comments. And if you want any comparison with any other watch of these watches, then you can surely tell me. I will definitely make a comparison for you. And just subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want to buy any other watch, you can go to official website and use TechPoke as a coupon code. You can get 5 to 10% flat discount. So that's all from my side. I have resolved all the queries. So I will be making another video for you. Till then, bye bye.